Hi, you are now on video 3, your third and final video for your online pre-workshop coursework. So what we're going to do for this video is we're going to briefly mention the basic workshop objectives that you will be going through during your workshop for the online portions and the face-to-face portions. And then we're also going to explore the environmental education guides that KACEE has to offer. So just really briefly to touch on the objectives, the first one is that during your workshop, you're going to definitely get an introduction to what environmental education is. And you heard about that in video 2, and you'll hear more and see that modeled in the face-to-face portion of your workshop. The second objective is that we want to definitely explore with you the concept that we are trying to show you how to use environmental education as a tool to help you accomplish what it is you already have to do in your classrooms and programs anyway. And you will see that modeled, and we'll talk about that a lot during the workshop. And lastly, we're going to get you very familiar with the books. And so what we're going to do now is just a quick preview of that.
Yeah. So during your workshop, you're going to have a sampling of activities through some of these environmental education guides. So we're excited for you to kind of get a sneak peek of what you're in for. So our first guides are going to be more water related. If you're in a more water related workshop, there's Project WET, which is water education, and as well as Discover a Watershed. So woohoo, go water. Okay. We also have several kind of more habitat related guides. There's Project Wild Aquatic, Project Wild, and Flying Wild. So Flying Wild's all about birds and habitats and exciting things. Wild is, man, like everything. Animals, wildlife, and how we interact in that scenario. And Wild Aquatic is kind of the same thing, but wildlife in more aquatic scenarios. So those are those opportunities that you may be in for. There's also Project Learning Tree, and this is a K-8 guide, well, we'll get to the but. So this is K-8. Project Learning Tree is like everything. It's a lot of, waste and recycling, energy, trees. It's just everything you could think of. A lot of times is Project Learning Tree. But what's nice is there's also the secondary guides, which are more higher level activities. So it's nice that depending on kind of what your environment that you're at, we can really customize what your needs are going to be. So we have PLT and the PLT secondary guides. And then the last ones that are just super fun are the early childhood guides. So this is Growing Up Wild, which is a part of that wild guide you saw a second ago, except this is for ages 3 to 7. And so there's also a Project Learning Tree guide for 3 to 7-year-olds. So it's just really neat that depending on your particular workshop or who you're working with, that odds are you're going to have exactly what you need in a really fun, customized way. So pretty exciting.
Okay, so now you have completed video 3. So you're going to go back to that email and you're going to click on the links and you do the very short assignment for video 3, and you will have completed all of your online pre-workshop coursework. Yay! So we're super excited that you're taking a KACEE workshop. Can't wait to have you in one.
Yay! Bye!